Hi everyone, bless you all, and thank you for watching The Awakening of Phoenix. On this channel, I'm all about healing, and since everything about food is therapy to me, come join me while I show you one of my favorites. I know I hyped it up in the last video, but surprise, eggplant parmesan. Now here I have whisked together 3 medium eggs with heavy cream, a dash of salt, and a dash of black pepper. And as you can see, I'm very particular about the consistency. Also, to my left, I have some all-purpose flour. Now right here, I'm taking my eggplant and dipping it into the egg mixture. Now, I don't want it to be all soaked inside the eggplant because I don't want to clump my flour. And I place it into the flour, and equally the same here. I don't want that much flour on the eggplant because I don't want to burn inside my frying pan. Onto the plate and over to the frying pan we go. So yes, look at this beautiful red sauce, you guys. That is not ground beef. That is vegetables. You can find it in your freezer section, in your supermarket. But the smell, the aromas that are coming off of this beautiful, yummy goodness. Anyways, I wish you were here to smell it. Anyways, just take a nice healthy spoonful of it and spread it across your pan. I've put aluminum foil down here because I don't want the cleanup. After you've put it down, after you put your sauce down, just go ahead and start placing your golden brown fried eggplant and right on the top of your sauce and start layering. Yes, it's time to put on some cheese. I start off with mozzarella, just a little bit of mozzarella, because I don't know if you noticed earlier, but I only put a little bit of salt in because I put in so many layers. There's going to be 4 layers in total. The next cheese I use is Parmesan, which is typically a salty cheese, so it kind of evens it all out. Oh my goodness, this is it. This is the last layer. it's time to put it in the oven. Ooh, but before you put it in the oven, please remember to stay hydrated. I need me some water. Oh, let me cover this with foil and see who's at the door. All right, everyone, it is done and we are ready to dig in. I have here my neighbor, Warren.
Hey.
He's the one that let me have the keys to take the dog out when I'm brave enough to take my trash out to walk him to. And he takes my trash out when I'm too afraid because of the agoraphobia. So to repay him, he's going to have some of this hardiness. Yummy. Do you see it? Yes. Delicious. He's going to have some with me. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay. It smells so good in the hallway, you guys.
It smells so good right here.
Okay, you first. He says he's never eaten eggplant before, so...
This tastes like lasagna.
Mm-hmm.
This is really, really good.
So good. I promise you can go ahead and keep eating. I promise you, this is comforting. It's delicious.
Oh my God.
If you want to try to incorporate eggplant, this is the best way. If you're trying to go vegan and you're transitioning and you just need some meat and you're safe, it's okay for you to have a cheat, this is perfect. Remember to help yourself so that you can help others help themselves. And it keeps going and going and going and going. Bless you all.
I'm sorry, I ate all mine.
And remember, it is not just your spirituality that can define your journey. It is your journey that can define your spirituality. Bless you all. Thank you for watching. And join this community by subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on what is to come.